The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma, east central Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, southern Washington County in northeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Nowata County in northeastern Oklahoma, north central Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Skiatook, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Skiatook, Ramona, Oshaleta, Avant, Talala, Vera, Watova. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Oklahoma. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.